Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Google's latest innovation, the Search Generative Experience, or SGE. This cutting-edge AI-powered assistant is changing the way we interact with information. So grab your digital passports because we're about to embark on a journey through the future of search. What is Google's SGE? Google has just unveiled a game-changer, an AI assistant that goes beyond answering questions. Meet SGE, the Smart Google Expert. It combines the prowess of Google's previous AI projects like DeepMind and Google Bard. DeepMind is the genius behind AlphaGo, the AI that conquered the complex game of Go, while Google Bard excels in generating text of all kinds. SGE represents a fusion of expertise, with over 100 specialists from various fields collaborating to enhance its accuracy, trustworthiness, and ethical standards. This collaborative effort underpins its development. They've joined forces under the banner of Google DeepMind, working on this project utilizing the RT2 visual language model. Key features of SGE. But what sets it apart? It's not just a virtual encyclopedia, it's your life advisor, stressed or facing a tough decision. SGE can offer guidance, quotes, and stories. But it's not just about answers, it's about asking the right questions, correcting errors, and remembering your preferences. SGE is your creative companion, generating original ideas for YouTube videos, blog posts, and more, all tailored to your needs. And when you're ready to learn a new skill, whether it's coding or playing an instrument, SGE is your tutor, offering personalized guidance and feedback. The development of SGE. How did Google create this remarkable assistant? They partnered with Scale AI Inc., a company valued at $7.3 billion, to gather and label vast amounts of data. They trained RT2 using advanced techniques like reinforcement learning and generative adversarial networks. RT2 is the engine behind this, a model that understands pictures and words and translates them into actions. Ethics and responsible AI. Google is committed to ethical AI. According to an article published by them, they've thoughtfully considered the ethical implications of offering life advice through AI, all in accordance with their AI principles. Human input and evaluation were important in developing products. Among other quality checks, they utilized human input when training its outputs, focusing on attributes like length, format, and clarity. Search has long applied robust processes for human input and evaluation, and they've applied many of those well-tested principles and learnings to how we train and evaluate SGE. SGE in your daily life. Imagine this. You're reading a lengthy article, and with a tap of your screen, SGE steps in to offer you a concise summary. This feature, called SGE While Browsing, is part of an early experiment within Google's Search Labs program. It's designed to work with articles freely available on the web, making it an invaluable tool for efficient research and information consumption. It can summarize long online articles, define words on web pages, and even enhance your coding knowledge. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, highlighted that it isn't here to replace Google Search, but to complement it. As of now, this feature is rolling out to Android and iOS users, with plans to extend to Chrome on desktops. This isn't a distant promise. It's a real-time experiment that's reshaping how we consume web content. SGE expands with summarization, but there's more. SGE is evolving rapidly. It can now summarize articles you're reading on the web, streamlining your research process. It's an early experiment initially available on the Google app for Android and iOS, with plans to expand to Chrome on desktops soon. This feature, known as SGE While Browsing, is designed to provide concise summaries of freely available web articles, making your reading experience more efficient. Continuous improvements to SGE. Google isn't resting on its laurels, they're enhancing SGE further. For topics like science, economics, and history, you'll soon be able to hover over specific words within SGE results and instantly access definitions or diagrams related to the topic. A special SGE module will list several key points from the page that users can click on to be taken to each one. Users can also press the Generate button in the panel to add a summary as well. Other features included one that highlights certain words in summaries and popping up an explanatory box, complete with their own linked resources and follow-up prompts to help define what certain concepts are. Another feature enhances code-related answers with snippets containing proper syntax highlighting. You will need to flip a toggle in the Search Labs page called Code Tips. Chrome summarizes articles. And let's not forget about Google Chrome, which is undergoing a transformation of its own. It's introducing a feature that allows you to have entire articles summarized right within the browser. This feature is an extension of SGE's capabilities, providing a more efficient way to consume web content. Initially available on iOS and Android, it's set to make its way to Chrome on desktop shortly. SGE gets video savvy. But that's not all. SGE is gearing up to make video content more accessible and informative. While it's already adept at summarizing search results and articles, it's taking the next step by enhancing video experiences and popping the search results for you. The future of Google Search is becoming increasingly multimedia-centric. Video summarization. This innovation will allow you to quickly grasp the essence of a video without watching it in its entirety. It's perfect for those times when you're looking for specific information within videos or when you're exploring a vast library of content. SGE is evolving to cater to your diverse information needs. The future of Google Search. All these developments are a testament to Google's commitment to the future of search. Generative AI is at the heart of this transformation, from BERT to the Multitask Unified Model, MUM, a model that's a staggering 1,000 times more powerful than its predecessor. MUM's ability to understand 75 languages and multiple tasks simultaneously is reshaping the way we access information. Role in business. As of 2023, we are still in its experimental phase, but businesses are already exploring its potential. As such, the initial set of opportunities for businesses to use it is very limited. Google has pledged that it will continue to publish search ads as part of SGE. As is the case with the existing search, ads in SGE will be clearly marked as sponsored results. According to Google, the overall goal is to also continue to direct users toward web content. As such, it is incumbent on businesses to ensure they have high-quality content. It's also likely a good idea for businesses to continue using search engine optimization, SEO techniques, as the new search experience will to some extent still deliver content that has been optimized for the main Google search engine experience. While the built model excels in many metrics, there are known limitations of both LLMs and this experience in its initial form, such as misinterpretation during corroboration, hallucination, and bias. But that is something to be solved in the near future as we progress with new updates. While SGE might have its early-stage hiccups, we're on the brink of a paradigm shift. Let's navigate this radical transformation together. Smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay disruptive. Catch you in the next one.